Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. Starting off with Euro USD as usual, and we did swing low onto structure, and we got opportunity to buy, and basically got an opportunity to take profit at the higher level. So if we just drop down to the 1 hour, now when we were looking at this, we were looking for a retest back down to here, and that didn't materialize. It just was a strong move up until the US session, then it was a strong move down, and then confusion. So, to me at the moment, the trend is really strong to the upside, but the way things are looking, you keep getting these big moves down, and then you would expect rejections or structure, and then you start blowing through the structure at the upside. So, pretty volatile, not something that I want to be trading at the moment, to be honest. So, just want to see if there is some kind of level that we can pay attention to that has been tested. I don't trust what we see here. So see the pin bar, big engulfing bar. This to me is just pointing to the fact that we're more than likely going to just swing back lower down here in the range. Or alternatively, it's just going to blow higher very quickly and take out those of us that think it's a range. So I am going to keep my money in my pocket here. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen. A big confusion here in amongst the moving averages on the 8 hour. Drop down to the 1 hour. That confusion expands into the 1 hour. So big up, big down, big confusion. Only positive thing here is the fact that you have a crossover of the moving averages, and it does look like we have been testing those moving averages. So proper break below 133.555 and a retest of that would be something worth watching. Other than that, this is a sit on hand scenario wait until we get direction and structure. Moving on to pound, British pound, Japanese yen, and pretty much a similar kind of picture. You can see the last couple of weeks has just been sideways. Trend is up, oscillator's easing off quite nicely, so that does mean I need to be looking pretty carefully for what's going on. But look at that price action as well. So very similar to US dollar Japanese yen, big confusion in amongst the moving averages, and that is a clear sit on hands. Not even try and second guess that. You're going to need to break above the highs and lows of not quite yesterday, but the middle section of the trading session there. So this double top high and this pin bar low here. So once we start breaking above that, that's going to give you the direction. But until then, keep the money in the pocket. Lastly, Euro British pound. We got a retest, or got a break of the moving average, a pullback, a retest of it. Been really messy up here. Now we've got multiple pin bars or multiple tails in this area here at 088653. Now if I drop down to the hour, you're going to see a similar situation here. Move up, sellers coming in, big engulfing bar, pin bar the previous day, gap down, trend is up. If we look at the moving averages, that's a reality, but this is just another day of confusion. Nobody really knows what the hell's going on in the markets right now. So I'm leave my money right where it is at the moment, earn a little bit of interest, and I have zero interest in committing anything to the forex market or the indexes at the moment. So we'll see if that changes tomorrow. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.